Hi, I'm Kevin Wasmer, inventor of Pedal Python. Pedal Python is the world's best cable management system for musicians. It takes the cables you already own and love and turns them into an awesome cable snake. I invented Pedal Python as a way to keep the cables on stage organized, out of the way, and easy to transport on and off the stage. It's ultra lightweight, it's crazy flexible, super sleek, customizable, durable, reusable, widely compatible, easy to use, roadworthy, and affordable. Bass, guitar, keyboards, you name it. Anytime someone's got a set of cables that they want to combine and turn into one sleek cable snake, Pedal Python is the way to go. Pedal Python is available in lots of colors and loads of lengths, from 10 feet all the way up to 50 feet, allowing the user to customize their Pedal Python to exactly the length they want. Why do retailers love Pedal Python? Pedals are expensive, usually in the $100 range. For around $20, Pedal Python is a great add-on and also helps your customers keep their stage organized. Thanks for your interest in Pedal Python. Head over to pedalpython.com today to see what we have and to get in touch with me.